Grab your coat and get your hat. Leave your worries on the doorstep. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Can't you hear a pitter-patter and a happy tune? Well, that's your step. Life can be so sweet on the sunny side of the street. I used to walk in the shade with my blues on parade now. Now I'm not afraid. No, this rubber crossed over. If I never had the sand, well, I'd be rich as Rockefeller gold dust. And my feet on the sunny side of the street. Ooh, get your hat and leave your worries, leave them on the doorstep. Just direct your feet to the sunny side of the street. Oh, can't you hear a pitter-pat and a happy tune? Well, that's your... This is a right-away letter. I gotta mail it today, straight to my main inspirer.